DOGELON Mars, ELON, is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers depict it as a fair all-inclusive money for individuals and an interplanetary cash utilized by space colonizers. DOGELON Mars isn't just a digital currency yet in addition a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Amusingly, you can get them with Ethereum, ETH. Despite the fact that this cryptographic money has a huge and energetic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This digital money guide will uncover all that you really want to be aware of DOGELON Mars and its elements. In any case, our essential spotlight will stay on the DOGELON Mars cost expectation from 2022 to 2030. What is DOGELON Mars? DOGELON is a blockchain-based biological system used to create and uphold space projects. It is utilized for trading products, making installments, and compensating supporters. DOGELON Mars was sent off on April 23, 2021. Be that as it may, there's no data accessible about the symbolic's maker. It likewise comes up short on white paper illustrating its main goal and targets. Nothing recognizes DOGELON Mars from other crypto tokens with regards to utility. You can purchase, sell, and send it to crypto wallets, yet that is valid for pretty much every advanced cash. Notwithstanding, the DOGELON Mars engineers have done a couple of one-of-a-kind things. 1. Elon Group didn't do a pre-sale or keep tokens themselves since they needed to make a fair cash. 2. The undertaking's underlying stock was 1 quadrillion elon tokens. 3. The designers recreated Shiba Inu's exposure stunt by sending half of those crypto tokens to Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin. Buterin gave roughly 43% of the elon tokens to the Methuselah establishment, a cause devoted to expanding human lifespan. In May 2021, the establishment swore not to offer any of those tokens to propel Elon's drawn-out incentive for basically a year. Tokenomics of DOGELON Mars environment. DOGELON Mars digital currency is known as elon, and it is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that was sent off in April 2021. It's called elon, and it's named after Elon Musk. He is an ally and financial backer in Dogecoin. It has great tokenomics, and DOGELON Mars is recorded on major decentralized trades with numerous symbolic matches. Binance offers the elon/USDT market pair. In such trades, a record can be opened utilizing the name or an email address. The DOGELON Mars cryptographic money has circulated around the web via online entertainment and acquired media consideration. Individuals have started putting resources into the token. In October, the cost of DOGELON Mars elon expanded in excess of multiple times and gave a monstrous return. The organization then, at that point, rose to the 150th situation with regards to showcase capitalization. There was no token pre-sale on the grounds that it is a fair general cryptographic money. DOGELON Mars coin outline. The makers of this specific canine coin are obscure, just like the makers of its more conspicuous and laid-out cousins. That is a genuinely normal event for image coins, and financial backers really should practice alert while managing obscure coins to try not to succumb to malevolent practices, for example, floor covering pulls and leaf tricks. Elon has been available for a long time, making the possibilities of the coin being a trick generally low. Assuming that you're pondering where to purchase DOGELON Mars, the top digital currency trades for exchanging DOGELON Mars stock right presently are OKX, MEXC, CoinTiger, KuCoin, and DigiFinex. DOGELON Mars, ELON, current cost. DOGELON Mars is right now worth $0.0000002555131 Elon has moved 3.49% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,532,681. DOGELON Mars is right now positioned 159 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $139,916,306 Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant DOGELON Mars, ELON, market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. DOGELON Mars, ELON, Value Expectation 2022. DOGELON Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, ELON. The Elon cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.0000038326965. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal, averaging $0.0000035771834 and cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Elon is supposed to have a base worth of $0.0000030661572. DOGELON Mars, ELON, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, DOGELON Mars Elon cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Elon will before long outperform $0.000000638782785. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Elon's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Elon will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.00000511026 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.000000562128882. DOGELON Mars, ELON, Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.0000008942958 and Elon might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Elon is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.000000817641992 and a low of $0.0000007665393 in 2024. DOGELON Mars, ELON, Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that DOGELON Mars effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Elon coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Elon will be green in 2025. The Elon is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking